What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default sound output in Windows 11. So that way you can play a video like this and play it on your speaker, in your headphones, or wherever else you want to play it that's connected to your computer. You might want to know how to do this if you're like me and you have multiple HDMI monitors plugged into your computer. And sometimes either via a driver update with your graphics card or Windows will just decide to change the default output. So it's good to know how to go back and change it if you want to keep your sanity. So you can have a sound like this playing on your speaker, but what if you wanted to go to your headphones? Well, so there's multiple ways to do this, but I'm going to show you one quick way and then I'll show you the alternative way. So the first thing you want to do is come down to the bottom right of your screen, and there's this button right here that has both your internet connection on it as well as the volume. So click it, and right next to this little volume slider, there's this little arrow to the right. So click on that. And then you can choose where your output is going. So if I choose headset earphones, well now the sound will be playing out of my headphones. I'm going to come back down here. You see how this slider changed. Now it's corresponding with my headphone amp. So if I come back to this arrow, turn it back to the Realtek, which is my sound bar, boom. Now it's back to that. Now, so that's one way to change that. So another way to do this is to go to your settings app. Now I showed you how to do that in another video, but I'm just going to come down to the start button and then type settings. Just an easy way to get it if you don't have any icons anywhere else. Boom, and then I'm going to click sound. Now same thing, I can change it here. Boom. Now I change it to my headphones. I can change it to the headphones in the microphone that I'm using right now, or I can change it back to my soundbar. Now if you're like me and you have multiple monitors that have HDMI and audio might try to output on those, I like to come in here and disable those so they don't show up on this list. Sometimes these will just reset on me, usually after a driver update for my graphics card, but I'll have to come back in here and disable them. So I've already disabled them here, but let me just come down here and show you. If I come down here and click on all audio devices, well now it's everything attached to my computer. So you see this Dell S2716DG, well that's one of my monitors, for example. MP27 IPSS, that's also one of my monitors. So if I were to click on that, on one of them, there's an allow button here. Now if I click allow and then I come back over to sound, you'll now see it on the list. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to click it on this list here, which takes me back to this screen, and I'm going to hit don't allow. So that way I keep it off the list. But if you're noticing that your Windows likes to output audio to monitors and not the speakers that you have plugged in, you're going to want to make sure to disable your other devices and just make sure that it's not on this list. Alright, I hope that helps. See you in the next video.